Well, hello, hello, hello. Mail call. I got my pretty teal package from Diamond Press. It arrived exactly on the day they said it would. I'm so proud of them because that doesn't make me wonder, like, what the heck happened to my package? It's not even a box. I was gonna say what happened to my box, but I didn't order a box. It came in pretty teal, and I love it how everything they do is teal. But anyway, I could sit here and blather on about pink plastic, excuse me, teal plastic, or I can just open the blessed bag, because that's what you guys are here for. If you're watching this, you want to see what came in the mail today. Let's set this aside. We're just going to pull out stuff. I got... Okay, so I told you guys, first off is a new, I'm not a replacement mat, it's a spare mat. So this is going to go straight into my rolling tote that goes with when I work, when I go and do projects off-site, which means, on Sundays I go and I spend time with my mom, and I'll work on stuff while I'm watching action movies that I can't stand with her, because my mother's the kind of person, the movies she likes are people, 15 people don't die in the opening credits of the movie. She's not interested. So it's how I stay sane is I craft. Or on Thursdays or Fridays when we go, also I go over to, we also take care of my Steve's mom. So I always take something with me. So anyway, this will now go into it'll go into the tote, so I don't have to remember to pack a mat, a silicone mat if I need it. I went ahead and ordered a blender pen. I have got right here, I've got a set of, whoops, gosh, I can't pull them up. Yeah, I go, of the Diamond Press markers, which, needless to say, are not Copics per se, but for the level of coloring I do, they're good. They're good enough. They work for me. So, and I do have some. These are okay. I have some Artist Lofts stuck in there, which are the ones that you get from Hobby Lobby, and somebody else carries these too. I think I could be wrong, but there you go. So I'm going to add my blender, my clear blender, into that, because this, for me, that works. The argument can be made of I could probably learn to color better with Copics, but I when I get to that point where I really feel like I'll start spending the money on Copic markers. What else did I get? Let's see. That is it. That's my packing slip. Now these are the I ordered 2 of the card kits. So let's get these opened up real quick. This one is the ephemera card kit. I think they're different. I don't think I ordered 2 of the same, did I? I cannot remember. No, yeah, they're 2 different card kits. I believe these babies are still available, and if they are, I'll link you down below in the description box where you can get them. But they're very cute. They were very pretty. They were very inexpensive. If they are still on sale, I think they were $8. Yes, I paid $8 for, yeah, $8 a piece. So hello bargain. We'll put this over here, and we'll open this up as soon as I can figure out where to open this up. Oh my goodness. There it is. And I think I just tore the bag, but oh well, there you go. We don't care. We're going to send that flying. So we have, look, we have card bases. Look, we have envelopes. And then, of course, that's what it is. It's the ephemera card kit. So you build your whole card just on the ephemera. Oh, this bag says, "Aw, we have a ruffled leaf." You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the crumpled bills I launder from Steve's pockets. I told him, when if he dies before I do, I'm going to cremate him with crumpled dollar bills in his pockets. But that's okay. This is not their fault. And trust me, I can make this work, no matter what. But since this bag is already broken, we're opening it from the side anyway. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. We have a bee there. That is a really, excuse me, an uber realistic looking bee. So we just have tons of sentiments here. So just, all kinds of decorative ephemera. So, I mean, I could say here, thank you. I love that one. So we just toss paper on here, or we can just do it plain, or we can do ink blending, or we can do stencils. I mean, I got a ton of stuff, especially with, I just got the kit. So hello, I love that. Isn't that pretty? So very, very cool. So, I mean, you guys can see here, you know me, I love to open all this stuff up. Look at that. I mean, they're really, these are big. You know, when you get these ephemera packs, they tend to be little and tiny. These are big ones. So they're like, oh, they're in your face. I love this. You got this. I love it. So this is part, you know, it's just part and parcel of what they do. So we have these little these tags are really pretty. We've got backgrounds right here. There is just all kinds of, I mean, they're all the same. So consistent backgrounds. We've got frames here. So, and we have more backgrounds here. I mean, there is a lot of stuffage to use to make cards. So I think I definitely got my money's worth. There is no complaint here. I'm going to put it back in the box, and then I'm going to come back later and give it a new bag. But at least I want to put it back in the box. So I've got this card kit, and how funny that both of these guys came. They must have landed just right in the packaging. But we have a lot of bees. I'm in love with the bees. I'm so sorry. I'm just like, ooh, I love the bees. So we're going to put our card bases, and I think they're all white. I don't see them being colored or anything. So let me just really quick just verify that they're all white. Yeah, they're just all plain white card bases. And I'm not going to try to cram though. You know what? Here we go. Here's the bag I'm going to recycle for the ephemera. So we're going to set that one aside. And we're going to open the other box quickly. So, ta-da-da. And this is the happy. Now I have Ferrell stuck in my head. That will be the earworm of the day. And this one, oh, look. I forgot that this one came with stamps, too. So now let's see if we can try. There we go. This one we got open the right way, because I was not impatient. There we go. Let's set that aside. So we have, these are pretty colors. I'm really liking these colors, and it's not just because they're diamond pressed, but just because. But they are really, so this is obviously before their new ink blends, which is probably why these are now kind of clearanced out. That's okay. We all buy stuff on clearance. But this, look at this. So we have we have stencils. Let's open up the stencils. I'm going to open up everything. So between these two card kits, I can put together some pretty cool stuff because, I mean, there's no reason why we can't mix and match. So we have, let me get a colored piece of paper that will, I know the shiny black one is going to work very well, but we're going to make it work. So we have, there we go. So we have diagonals right here. And this is like a different plastic. This is not your traditional, I'm going to tell you right now, what you're normally used to feeling in a stencil. It's a different kind of stencil material. We've got wonky stars, and having wonky stars is, you know, that's not a bad thing. I like that. So this is, you know what it makes me think of, because we have the stars and the circles. I don't know why SpongeBob popped into my head. So, but there you go. I have SpongeBob now stuck in my head. Isn't Patrick the starfish? I think, isn't that SpongeBob's friend? I don't know, because my niece is the one that loved SpongeBob. And then we just have this really busy little stencil. So I think these are really, really cute. So very handy for our cards. And then, of course, they always give us stamps. You open these up. So look, I have now stuff to fill my box. Not that, trust me, I'm not going to fill that box. I have enough stuff to fill, I think, a couple of boxes, which is why I wanted to grab more than one. Okay, so I'm trying to get these. There we go. So you can see them right side up. So because this one's backwards no matter what. So we have flags. We have pennants. Just these cool little things that you can stamp on your cards, because they give us the card blanks. And then for these stamps, it's just fun. Just cute little. They're really cute. Hooray. I can't read the yellow one. Is it because it's turned upside down? Oh, no. It's because it doesn't say anything. It's like a sunburst. Oh, my good Lord. But we have just these cute little stamps. You know what makes me happy about their stamps is that they colorize them a little bit. So they're happy little colors. And there you go. So again, we have card blanks, cards, and cards. I forget. I'm guesstimating there's probably about 20 cards in here at least by the thickness of them. And then we have Guga. Oh, wait. What are these? These are, I think these are vellum pieces that we could use. I like that. I was not paying attention. I just saw a card kit, $8. Let's get it. But I think these are, yeah, these are vellum pieces. So these are probably going to be backings to, oh, because these are all white. So you can color coordinate or leave it white, whichever flops your mop. Okay, let me, goodness gracious. I really can't, I'm like having problems finding. I will get it. Hang on a second, guys. There we go. My gosh. It's defying me. But you have all of the sentiments. All of these are in white. So I'm assuming if I look long and hard enough, and I didn't have to look very far. That's what I was thinking. Happy birthday. Look, let me just punch it out real quick. At least the bigger pieces. Aren't we used to this from die cutting? We call weeding. I'm going to weed this big piece out. Okay. And quit my head because then I'm going to get sloppy. But look. So we have the back. It comes with the background. I think that is very, very cool on their part. So they include that. I am not sure what this is. Oh, they're the pennants. So they give us the basis so we can put the pen, we can stamp the pennants with these guys. Very cool. Very, very cool. So we have all of these pieces that we can ink up or leave white, whichever way we want to go. And then now we have, let me pick up my mess at least a little bit. Put these and pile these. Give me just 1 second. And I want to put the vellum for sure back. Because vellum is delicate, so you don't want, they're like, you look at them and they get funky. So, yes, come on, there we go. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to set these guys over here with the little bags. I can put it back. And now we have the ephemera pack, which will also equally struggle. Now this one's a little bit more wrinkly, so that one was like almost perfectly packed. And we have our ephemera in really happy birthday colors. Look at all of these stars, again, in that same wonky shape. Little party hats, pinwheels, and all kinds of colors. So you can build some really, these are great. I love that. Look at that. You did it. Balloons. Yay. Oh my gosh. These are just really cute, happy little sentiment pieces. So this is really cool. I am really happy. I definitely got my money's worth. I believe these are still available on the Diamond Press website. So I will let you know. I will put it down. If they're still available, I'm going to link you down into the description so you can run and get yours, guys, because really you can't beat the price for this. So, but that's all I have for you on this mail call. I just really wanted to do it quickly because I really wanted to open the package. Today I was motivated. So, and I needed a break. So this is like way out of my time when I'm usually doing videos, but I needed a break. I had a call that made me very cranky. So I'm like, okay, I'm taking a break. So I did this. I'm going to go back and do my work, but thanks so much for hanging out with me and watching this, and hopefully you enjoyed it and you're going to run and get the sale. And if you do, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up and drop me a note. Let me know. And if you want to see more of this madness, you want me to alert you to cool things that are coming, that I get or projects that I make, then by all means subscribe and ring the bell. And when this mad woman will be on, because I'm a repeat offender. I will be back. All right. And otherwise, guys, go out and make something beautiful. Enjoy your crafty time, and remember that with our cards we get to touch people and and lift spirits or celebrate with them, whatever it is. So go ahead and continue to touch lives that way. And as always, don't forget, we're all a little mad here, me and my multiple personalities particularly. So let's all scrap the madness together. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye.